Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is on 20 of December. Yeah, I wanted to do a general cleaning to my cleaning my kids' bedroom and mine. So today is all about just bedroom cleaning. And if you are new, my name is Adija. It has been a while without cleaning my kids' bedroom. So there I'm starting with my daughter's bedroom. We are not doing that deeply. They were not dirty. It's just refreshing once in a week, because I usually do a general cleaning on Saturdays. So guys, I think today is on 20th, but I'm voiceovering. I can't remember the day was when, but I can remember the date was 20th. Yeah, and then I'm starting there with just refreshing the bedrooms, because yeah, like mopping the floors. It's just 3 days, and then I done a general cleaning in 3 days time. So I was just wanted to remove the dust, because it's kind of dust in our area. And you know guys, this season I doesn't have this Xmas season I doesn't have a nanny, so I'm the one who's doing everything with my daughter and my kids, and training them to be independent on their own, because I think my kids are big enough to do some home course for themselves. Yeah, and to learn to do it, like teach them how to do it. So if you're new, my name is Adija. The bedroom is clean. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber based in Nairobi countryside, and yeah, I does content basically on homemaking. So yeah, I'm done with that, my daughter's bedroom, and then I'm going to clean the main corridor as we move to the other bedroom. So remember to subscribe, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and share me out. Leave a positive comment and get motivation of cleaning. Yeah, and later we are going to have some dinner, just a simple dinner, because the day will be so tiresome for us. So right now I'm getting to the son's bedroom. Yeah, my son's bedroom, guys. So like, I don't usually make their beds. Everyone knows when they wake up they make their bed, but today, because I wanted to stretch it for him, so I decided to do it for them, because they are doing other tasks, like they are like washing the dishes and cleaning the compound. So everyone in the morning usually have a own task, guys. Yeah, so when I doesn't have a nanny, I usually love like scheduling, if I'm around like Monday to Friday, if I'm not going to job, like now this week, kind of no, the Xmas week I'll be on off. So yeah, and I will be busy with back to school preparation, because I'll be back on job on 31st, on 29th that week. That 31st week I'll be on job. So, and I won't have time to get them prepared. So this week doing some cleaning, so that when I get enough time, I run to the market and get them some school preparations, like books. Yeah, so yeah, so today I usually wake up in the morning, and then I will just divide course for everyone, so everyone knows what tomorrow in the morning we'll do. We usually alternate, like if today I'm the one who washed the dishes, tomorrow there's one who will wash the dishes. Is today, if bedrooms are mine, like their bedrooms, my bedroom I'm the one who usually make, but for the kids I usually alternate. I tell someone, today you are the one to make the bedrooms, and then you are the one to wash the dishes, and then you are the one to clean the outside latrine, and then you are the one to clean the compound. That's how we usually do without a nanny, guys. Yeah, so it's not every time you have money to pay nannies, and it's not good for big kids to have nannies. Like right now they had a long holiday, 2 months. So I released the nanny on 1st of December. So this is my whole month we have been just working for ourselves, and yeah, so we don't leave the house to be so dusty. We usually clean like bedrooms once in a week, and sitting room, like yeah, and then the kitchen always, and the toilets every day. So those are the small tasks that we usually do. So today it's my duty to clean the bedrooms, because they won't do that 100% that I wanted, like wiping and making the bed, and beating the curtains, and and dusting everywhere. So that is what we usually do, like a mother without a nanny. Yeah, and it's a good idea, because you're still teaching your kids how to be independent, actually. And it's just a slow living, because we don't do things in this house under pressure, just slow living. Yeah, if today I just feel like washing like 2 bedrooms, I'll just wash 2 bedrooms and then I relax, because tomorrow I still need more energy to do another course in this house. So if you're new, get some motivation, and if you like this kind of making vlogs, I think you're in the right place. And yeah, so let's clean together the bedrooms, guys. Yeah, and yeah, those who follow me, they know I love a lot of cleaning and making my home just beautiful, and making the environment just look clean. And if we cross good next year 2026, I'm going to do so many decluttering, guys. I have so many clothes, I just want to declutter. Yes, and I want to have a declutter free home, a free home, and a home which doesn't have those many things. And later I'm done with my kids, my boy's bedroom, so I'm just making my bedroom. Yeah, guys, so my bedroom is clean. It's like it was done one day ago, cleaning, general cleaning up to the toilet. And then yeah, I'm just going to refresh it and just give it that good good beautiful look. Yeah, like I'm one person, if I wake up in the morning, all the bedrooms should be neatly made and very clean, and all the curtains are beaten, guys. So I usually love to have a day with beautiful bedrooms. Me coming to a bedroom which is untidy, I usually feel like am I sick? I feel like I'm bored, my moods are not okay. So yeah, I just taught my kids, so when they wake up in the morning, they let the bed like 30 minutes to refresh and have a fresh air for the beddings, and then they are going to make their beds. Even my nannies, they know that every day you have to make your bed. Yeah, there's that motivation of having a beautiful and well tidy bed. Yeah, during the day you feel motivated, you know you'll come to sleep in a beautiful bed. And yes, despite how the bed is, just the bed is always beautiful because of your courtesy of making it. Yani unaitandika vizuri, unatafuta tu bed sheet tuzuri, and then you make it clean, and that's how you'll get a comfortable sleep, and the environment so rejuvenating. Because yeah, I love cleaning. And I don't know, but I've learned not cleaning like making my body weak. Yeah, that's why I said with bedrooms I cannot clean this big house. At nioshe kitchen and then I clean the living room. If today we are dealing with bedroom, I will clean the bedrooms only and cook. And then if today I'm dealing with living room, it's living room and cook. So those are those things I usually do when I doesn't have a nanny. I don't overwork myself, because guys, I'm a working mom. Every errands I'm the one who is running, and you know, yeah, my body has not been good. Yes, that good. Like I've been sick a while ago. I'm still recovering under strong medication, so I don't tire myself. I usually just say like today now, I was just like refreshing the bedrooms, just giving them that beautiful look, because it is, we had cleaned them like 2 days ago. And yes, I said it's just cleaning the bedrooms and cooking. That is what I want. Yes, and I create time for relaxing, because tomorrow I still need more energy. And the same me, I'm the one to do everything in the house. Despite the kids are helping me, they can't do it the way I want it perfectly done. Yeah, so that is how I usually kujipanga. Like I have a friend who usually ask me, hey Hadija, how do you manage to clean that big house? I usually, without a nanny, I usually tell them, I when I doesn't have a nanny, I usually have my to-do list for every day, if I'm around, that is. Yeah, and if I'm not around, we usually clean like dishes at night. So coming next year, I will do a to-do list and show you how I usually do a course without a nanny. And yeah, because some I've gotten some DMs that how do you usually, unajipanganga aje wakati hauna mfanyikazi, hiyo nyumba yako inakuanga kubwa, how do you clean it, how do you make that house that clean, how do you do it, and you are working mom. So come 2026, I'm coming up with that kind of a to-do list, and guys, I'm going to share and encourage and to yeah. And later it's time to cook dinner, and then we are going to have the peaceful moment. We usually have a movie night. It's just because I'm tired, I can't shoot a movie night. So yeah, and yeah, so that is how we usually just have a simple dinner. Like today, you can see I've cleaned the house, and we are just going to have ugali and eggs. That is what we are not going even to have any cabbage or any vegetable or any fruit. We're just going to have a simple meal, because you guys, cleaning those bedrooms was not a joke and other task that I didn't shoot. I was not cleaning the whole day the bedrooms. Actually, we still have another task to do, like making the compound clean. Yeah, that is what I usually do. So we were tired, and we just prepared a small light dinner for us, and because we had taken some juice in the evening, so they decided to have just a small dinner, a simple dinner, and that is quick to fix. So that is what the day has been. So remember to subscribe, get some motivation, like the video, leave a positive comment. And as I went up this video with cooking, I just wish all my Christian family a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2026, guys. So yeah, so hope you get motivated, like the video, enjoy during this festive season, and if you are driving, kindly drive safely. We still need you more, and take care wherever you'll be, guys. Take care. It's not that the roads are that busy. It's over the season, the roads are busy. To take care of yourself, and guys, remember to always pray for everything, because everything we are granted by God. And yeah, it has been a good year. You have supported me, guys. I don't take it for granted. And yeah, yes, God is going to open another chapter for next year. Let's keep supporting each other. Let's keep motivating mothers. And yes, let's do this on making vlogs. They usually motivate mothers a lot. So yeah, and that is what we had for dinner. So hope you have enjoyed. Till the next one. Bye, lovelies, and subscribe, like, comment, share. Happy New Year to you and your families, and Merry Christmas, and a blessed back to school, and safe journey masses to everyone who is traveling. And yes, that is what we had for dinner, and hope you have enjoyed up to this far. Hope you'll subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye till the next one. Bye, lovelies. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from me.